In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide text easily in Microsoft Word. Hiding text can be very useful when you want to include extra information in your document without displaying it to readers, or when you're creating templates, notes, or answer keys. Microsoft Word makes it easy to hide and reveal text whenever you need, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your Word document and select the text you want to hide. Once the text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the Font group, click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner to open the Font dialog box. Here, you will see various text formatting options. Look for the checkbox labeled Hidden. Check this box, then click OK. The text you selected will now be hidden. It won't be visible on the screen or when you print the document, but it's still part of the file and can be revealed anytime. If you want to unhide text, simply select the area where the hidden text is located. Go back to the Font dialog box in the Home tab and uncheck the Hidden box. Click OK, and the text will reappear in your document. There's also a quick toggle method if you want to see all hidden text while working. Go to the File tab, then click Options and select Display. Under the section Always Show These Formatting Marks on the screen, check the box for Hidden Text and click OK. Now, any hidden text will appear with a dotted underline, making it easy to identify and manage without printing it. Another way to quickly toggle hidden text visibility is by pressing Ctrl+Shift+8 on Windows or Command+8 on Mac. This will show or hide all formatting marks, including hidden text, which is convenient when editing complex documents. Using these methods, you can easily hide confidential information, answers, or extra notes without removing them from your Word document. You can also control exactly when and how they appear, making your workflow more organized and professional. And that's it. You now know how to hide and unhide text in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.